How to turn on comments notifications on TikTok. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video. So let's start. First you will just go and open TikTok. Then as you see when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down here on your profile, open your profile. Then when you open your profile, go to this three line here. Then go to settings and privacy, go to notification now, and then you will find comments. And now turn on this option by clicking here on this place and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any comments, you can write it down in comments. And see you next video.